Hello everyone, welcome to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to write a professional and winning executive assistant resume, and we're going to go step by step using a complete real example so you can follow along easily and confidently. So first, what exactly is an executive assistant resume? An executive assistant resume is a professional document that highlights your ability to support senior executives, manage high-level administrative tasks, and keep operations running smoothly. This role requires strong organization, communication, discretion, and the ability to handle multiple priorities at once. Employers are looking for someone who can manage schedules, coordinate meetings, handle confidential information, and act as a reliable support system for leadership. That's why your resume should clearly show professionalism, efficiency, and trustworthiness. Now let's break everything down step by step. Header and contact information. Let's start with the very top of the resume. Here is the full sample. Rachel Thompson, 4892 Westbrook Lane, New York, NY 10001, United States. Phone 212-5557643. Email rachel.thompson@email.com. LinkedIn, linkedin.com/in/Rachel Thompson. Now, what should you write here? You always begin with your full name, Rachel Thompson. This should be clear and easy to read because it's the first thing employers will see. Make sure your name stands out at the top of your resume. Next, the address. 4892 Westbrook Lane, New York, NY 10001, United States. This helps employers understand your location, which can be important for availability and scheduling. Then, your phone number. 212-555-7643. This must be accurate and active so employers can contact you. After that, your email, rachel.thompson@email.com. Always use a professional email that includes your real name. Finally, your LinkedIn, linkedin.com/in/Rachel Thompson. This adds professionalism and gives employers more insight into your background. For tip, always double-check your contact details to avoid missing opportunities. Professional summary. Now let's move to the professional summary. Here is the full sample. Highly organized and proactive executive assistant with over 7 years of experience supporting senior executives and managing high-level administrative operations. Skilled in calendar management, travel coordination, and confidential communication. Proven ability to streamline processes, manage multiple priorities, and ensure executives can focus on strategic goals. Now let's break this down sentence by sentence. The first sentence says, highly organized and proactive executive assistant with over 7 years of experience supporting senior executives and managing high-level administrative operations. This introduces who you are and your experience level. Words like organized and proactive are very important for this role. The second sentence says, skilled in calendar management, travel coordination, and confidential communication. This highlights your key responsibilities and core strengths. The final sentence says, proven ability to streamline processes, manage multiple priorities, and ensure executives can focus on strategic goals. This shows your impact and how you add value to the organization. For tip, keep your summary short, around 3 to 4 sentences, and focus on both skills and results. Core skills. Now let's look at the core skills section. Here is the full sample. Executive calendar management, travel coordination, meeting and event planning, confidential communication, office administration, time management, problem solving, Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, document preparation, multitasking, and organization. This section gives a quick overview of your abilities. For example, executive calendar management shows you can handle complex schedules. Travel coordination shows you can organize logistics. Confidential communication is very important because you will handle sensitive information. Multitasking and organization shows you can manage multiple responsibilities efficiently. For tip, keep this section clear and easy to scan. Professional experience. Now we move to the most important section, professional experience. Let's start with the first role. Here is the full sample. Senior Executive Assistant. Prestige Corporate Group, New York, NY. March 2021 to present. Managed complex executive calendars, scheduling meetings, appointments, and travel arrangements. This shows your main responsibility and organizational skills. Coordinated high-level meetings, including preparing agendas and documentation. This highlights planning and attention to detail. Handled confidential information with discretion and professionalism. This shows trustworthiness. Improved scheduling efficiency, reducing conflicts by 30%. This is very strong because it shows measurable results. Acted as a liaison between executives, clients, and internal teams. This shows communication and coordination. Organized corporate events and executive-level presentations. This highlights event planning and professionalism. Now let's look at the second role. Executive Assistant. Global Business Solutions, New York, June 2018 to February 2021. Provided direct administrative support to senior executives. This shows your role clearly. Managed emails, phone calls, and correspondence efficiently. This highlights communication skills. Scheduled meetings and coordinated office activities. This shows organization. Prepared reports, presentations, and internal documents. This highlights document management. Enhanced communication flow between departments. This shows impact. Now the third role, Administrative Assistant. Metro Office Services, New York, NY. January 2016 to May 2018. Supported daily office operations and administrative tasks. This shows your foundational experience. Assisted executives with scheduling and document preparation. This highlights support skills. Maintained organized filing systems and records. This shows attention to detail. Helped improve workflow efficiency across departments. This shows contribution and improvement. For tip, always use strong action verbs and include measurable results when possible. Education. Now let's look at education. Here is the full sample. Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA. New York University. Graduated 2015. This section shows your academic background and foundation in business and administration. For tip, keep it simple and clear. Technical skills. Now let's look at technical skills. Here is the full sample. Microsoft Office Suite, Google Workspace, calendar and scheduling tools, document management systems. These tools are essential for executive assistant roles. For tip, only include tools you are comfortable using. Key achievements. Next is key achievements. Here is the full sample. Reduced scheduling conflicts by 30% through improved calendar management. This shows measurable success. Recognized for maintaining confidentiality and professionalism. This adds credibility. Successfully supported executive leadership in a fast-paced corporate environment. This shows reliability and experience. This section helps you stand out from other candidates. Languages. Finally, let's look at languages. Here is the full sample. English, fluent. French, conversational. This shows your ability to communicate in different environments, especially in global companies. For tip, always be honest about your level. So to recap, a strong executive assistant resume should include clear contact information, a strong professional summary, relevant skills, detailed experience with measurable results, education, technical skills, achievements, and languages. Remember, employers are looking for someone who is organized, reliable, professional, and able to support executives effectively. Make sure your resume clearly shows those qualities. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.